Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Amazon Prime Video. So first you have to open your Google Chrome web browser. In the top, there's a URL section right there. Simply type primevideo.com and enter it. And after that, you'll be landed to the Amazon Prime Video official homepage. And on the left hand side, we can see there's Prime Video member sign in. So click on that option. And then you'll be asked for your sign in, your email or mobile number, whichever you prefer. You can simply type down there and continue. But if you do not have an account in your Prime Video, then click on this option right over here. And after that, click here. And then you'll be also required with your password. But if you have forgotten your password, then you can simply click on this option right over here, and there will be a code or the instructions from Amazon that will be sent it to you. And after you're done with your password, and here you can see there's a small box right over here. If you want to keep signed it to in your device that you just logged in from here, you can click on this. But if you do not prefer it, simply click this button back and click on the sign in order to sign in to your Amazon Prime Video. So that is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.